How to add background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First launch Instagram app and make sure to log in. Now navigate to the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and now choose a particular post. And here you can simply take a screenshot of your particular post. Now tap and scroll or simply you can cancel that. So let's take a screenshot again. Simply choose the screenshot and here you can easily edit the post. And after that you simply need to tap on the tick mark once done at top right corner of your screen. And it will be saved to your gallery. Once done, tap on the share icon on this particular post and tap on copy link. Once you have done this step, you need to head towards your home feed. Tap on your story at top left and then you simply need to pick a background photo from your gallery or you simply need to take a or you can simply take a photo. Once done, you simply need to tap on the sticker icon at top right corner and here choose the photo of that particular post. Once you have added, you need to simply tap on the AA button at top right and then paste the link of this particular post. Now you need to tap on the sticker icon once more time. Tap on the search icon and you can type in click here or you can type in click on the link. And after that, you can simply tap on your story at bottom left corner of your screen. And with that, you have successfully added background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.